notice your cat always sleeps at your feet, not beside your head? It's not random. In feline psychology, that's trust mixed with control. Cats are hyper-aware sleepers. They always position themselves for safety. Your feet are the farthest point from danger and the first exit if something goes wrong. But it's not just strategy, it's emotional distance. Cats love you, but they love autonomy more. Sleeping near your feet gives them closeness without vulnerability. They can sense your movement, your temperature, even your dreams through vibrations. When you move, they wake. When you calm, they rest. In their world, sleep isn't stillness, it's synchronization. They stay close enough to protect you, but far enough to protect themselves. It's both affection and instinct, the quiet balance cats live by. So when your cat curls up by your feet, it's not distance, it's devotion done their way. Follow Inside Your Mind for more animal psychology that explains the strange ways love shows up.